Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. I'm in a different angle area than I usually film, but that is because I need my bed because I'm going to be packing. You guys can probably see by the title. I am going to be doing a pack with me. I thought it was really fun and a cool idea to do. I don't have much time. I have to leave in 48 hours. In 48 hours, I'll be at the airport. We're going to Banff and then Victoria, which is super exciting. I'm so excited. So I need to pack. Banff is going to be chilly, more chillier than Victoria, so I kind of have to figure out how I want to pack, but I figured I would just show you guys everything that's going to be on my carry-on. Only bringing a carry-on, no checked bag, so a carry-on and a personal item, which kind of going to be interesting. I'm not one to pack light, so we're going to see everything we can fit. But yeah, that is today's video. It's 7 in the morning, so I have my coffee and I really need it. I only have like an hour because I have to go to the gym with my boyfriend after, and then we have a bunch of errands we need to run. Oh, so I bought these on like Shein, I think they are. They're packing slips, which I've never had packing slips before, but I also bought my boyfriend some from Lululemon. They're so good and they make so much space in your suitcase, so highly recommend them. But yeah, I've already kind of packed little things that I think I'll need, like wipes, band-aids, Kleenex, all of that. So I will show you guys all of that, but yeah, that's why it's in there. This luggage is from Walmart. It's brand new. I haven't used it before and I'm putting it on my bed, but I don't have like all my bed sheets on it just so I can wash this after. So yeah, if anybody wants to say anything that I put the luggage on the bed, it's brand new and I'm gonna wash the sheets right after this, so don't worry. So I'm kind of freaking out because I don't have that much room and I'm panicking a little bit. So game plan, or plan I think I'm gonna stick to, is this side is going to be for Banff and this side is going to be for Victoria. So I have outfits for different places that I want to take, so just so I don't kind of mix everything up, I think I'm going to kind of stick to that. I'm going to do a quick kind of speed through, so I'm just going to put a bunch of things on my bed and then I will talk you guys through it. I think that'll work. I'm already overpacking. I already know it. I do have a huge pile of laundry that I need to wash, but on New Year's Day, it's bad luck to wash laundry. So I was gonna do my laundry yesterday and then I remembered that. So I was like, I'm not gonna do my laundry, and I have a huge pile of laundry like right in front of me. So I'm gonna have to do that after, but I think this is a good enough place to kind of start. This is my new jacket from Lulu. You should have seen that in my Boxing Day haul. It converts into this. So we're gonna see how that goes. I don't really know. This is also from Shein. It was like $3. You just hang it and it has all your toiletries inside, so it looks like that. It's really good. So that's where I'm gonna put all the like first aid stuff we might need and like all of that. I think what's going to take up the most space are jackets, but I love this one and I really want to bring this one. This is the Slush Hour jacket in the like trench beige color. I also hopefully want to fit the black one in my bag as well. So I'm bringing like 4 different jackets, which yes, I know it's kind of a lot, but I don't know. I want to see if they'll fit. And we're going to put them in this packing cube, hopefully. Two jackets. Ooh. I'm not going to pack the black one, but I am going to bring it with me, but I am going to probably wear it today because I need a jacket for today. So I'm gonna have that. This again also from Shein. It's like shoe bag slips. If you want to travel with shoes, you just put them in here so it doesn't get everything dirty. Those shoes are on my bed because they're brand new from Steve Madden. I think they're gonna look really cute, but yeah, they're brand new. Haven't even worn them, so I put them on my bed. I'm gonna bring white Air Forces. I'm only gonna bring one pair of shoes because I do also want to buy a pair of shoes down there. I figured I'd buy a random pair there. I bought a pair when I went to Barcelona, and then I bought a pair when I went to Guatemala. So now when I go to Banff and Victoria, I want to buy a pair of shoes. So yeah, I don't know how to pack this. I think I'm gonna bring this in my backpack. I want to put my shoes on my backpack. Sweaters, we obviously need a scuba hoodie. Obviously need one of these. I'm gonna bring the red Merlot ones. I think I'm gonna put all my like socks and accessories. I'm already getting all over the place. I don't know what to pack first, but I think we're gonna do socks and like pajamas next. And underwear, which I'm bringing these Lulu ones that I just bought. I just need these to sleep in, and it came in a pack of 5, so it'll be perfect. They're so soft. Super cute. I hope they fit. I got them in a size small, which I'm usually a small. Hope I'm not extra small. I'm quickly gonna try these on so I know. Hold on. Okay, update. Softest things ever. I think I'm gonna go buy more after, but size small fits perfectly. They are so freaking comfy. What? I was not expecting that. So yeah, obsessed with that. Good to know. So there's 5, and I added one of my own. Nike beanie. Have a matching one with my boyfriend. Cute mittens. I think those boots, these socks, this jacket, the reversible one from Lulu, and this sweatsuit from a lounge. It's gonna be my airport outfit, so I think we'll put that over here. So all of this is gonna be what I'm wearing minus the Air Forces. These earmuffs, I saw them on Amazon for $17. I bought them at Dollarama for $4. They're so cute. Look at this. Look how cute. Okay, but yeah. Anyways, check Dollarama. Pajama set. White socks. Okay, change of plans to the whole one side Banff, one side Victoria, because as you can see, it's already pretty stuffed. So I'm gonna put my clothes on one side and see what else I can fit in here. Line, leggings, a staple obviously. Joggers, Align leggings, a light little bra as well. So I bought this. How cute is this? It's like a mini backpack from Lulu, but I brought it to put all of my camera stuff inside of it. Right now I'm just gonna put this because I have the charger, memory cards, and batteries, but I haven't packed that yet. But how cute is that? And it has like a snap little closure, so I picked this up for this reason. These tops are so good. These are the Ebb to Street tops, long sleeve tops from Lululemon. Again, I hauled them for you guys. They have built-in bras in the top, so it's gonna be super simple for me not to have to wear a bra and a top. I can just put this on. Very comfy. I have it in the red color. I also have a navy and a brown, which I need to find them, but I'm definitely bringing these. And they're gonna be a great like layering piece, so I need to find the other ones. I think most of my other clothes is in the wash right now, so I'm gonna try to make do with what I have. I don't know. Forgot this hat. My uncle just gave it to me for Christmas. How freaking cute. It's adorable. So I'm gonna wear it to the airport as well. Cream little hair tie also This is gonna be for like creams, shampoos. Have this. I'm gonna leave it in this bag. And I'm just gonna put it in here. Little belt bag. Okay, so I think that is it for right now. Like I said, I have a lot of laundry that I need to do before I can figure out what else I need to pack. But we did pretty good. I just have a couple more sweaters and t-shirts. I'm also bringing another bag, which you guys should have saw what I got for Christmas. I got this really pretty beige bag. I think that's what it's called. Very, very pretty. It's way too big though. So yes, it is certified as a carry-on, but this is going to be my carry-on bag. And I'm going to bring a personal item, which can only be like a certain length and width kind of thing. That one is like double what it's allowed to be. So I am going to exchange that when we get back. We're going to exchange it for mini ones because my boyfriend also got a matching one, so we are gonna go exchange those ones for the mini ones. So for this trip, I'm either gonna bring a backpack or a small little duffel bag. Haven't decided just yet, but yeah, it's gonna be either a backpack or a duffel bag, so I'm still gonna have that one. I think I want to leave that one as empty as possible in case I want to bring back things. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You saw most of my carry-on. Sorry that I couldn't show you guys everything, but I have so much laundry to do and I don't really have a lot of time, and I wanted to film this portion for you guys so you can kind of see what I'm gonna bring with me on vacation. As you guys are watching this, I will be at Banff with my boyfriend already. I am definitely going to be vlogging it. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog. I hope you guys are excited for that content. We're doing something that has been on my bucket list for like 3-4 years, no joke, and I honestly never thought we would be going to this place, so fingers crossed. I think it's gonna be, by the time you're watching this, it's gonna be tomorrow, the day that we're going there, and I am so excited. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely go follow me because I'll be uploading more frequently and in real time on Instagram, since it's a lot easier than, you know, filming, editing, uploading, all of that. So definitely follow me on Instagram. It is at _8alvarez. It's on the screen, it'll be in the description. But yeah, that is everything. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.